So you wrote an email with AI. It looked fine, and then you got that feeling. This sounds like a robot. Too stiff, too polished, like it obviously came from ChatGPT. If you felt that, you're right, and there's a real reason it happens. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you why AI writes like that and how to make it sound like a human, like you. Whether you're emailing a customer, a vendor, or your boss, no tricks, no detective games, just making the writing actually good. Now, this is for anyone who uses AI to write at work, and it matters even more if English isn't your first language, because the worry isn't just, does this sound like AI? It's, does this represent me well? So let's fix it properly. And let me say this up front. The problem is never your English. AI sounds generic for everybody. This is about making the tool sound natural, not about you. Now, why does AI write like this? There's 3 reasons, and once you get them, the fix is obvious. So, number 1, it's trained to please everyone. It learned from a huge amount of writing, then humans rated its answers, rewarding the ones that were polite, clear, and safe. Do that millions of times, and it settles into a voice that offends no one, but also doesn't excite anyone. It sounds like nobody. So, number 2, it picks the most likely words. Now, underneath is just predicting. The most probable next word and the most probable phrases are the most common ones, the cliches. That's literally why every AI email opens with, "I hope this email finds you well." You know, it's the safest string of words there is. Your real voice is made of less obvious choices, and that's exactly what AI smooths away. Number 3, AI doesn't know you unless you tell it. It has no idea who you're writing to, how close you are, your tone, or how long you actually write. So it fills the gaps, the corporate defaults, either too long, too formal, or too hedged. Now, when you put those together, you get the robotic email. So the fix is to undo all 3. Now, first, how do you spot AI writing instantly? There's some tells. The greeting cliches like, "I hope this email finds you well," "I wanted to reach out." Then there's the hedging. "I just wanted to," "I think perhaps." It's too long. It explains things nobody asked about. Robot transition words. Furthermore, moreover, additionally, nobody says these in real emails, and it's relentlessly upbeat and perfectly balanced. Real people are more direct. Once you see these, you can't unsee them, and everyone is fixable. Now, for the demo, let me show you. I'll fix this in real time. The fix is 3 moves. Give it your voice, give it the context, and tell it what to cut. So here's a real situation. I need to email a vendor to push back on a price increase. Watch the default first. You see it? Long, formal, robotic. Now watch the fix. Same request, but now it's short. It sounds like a real person and it gets to the point. Demo number 2. Let's do one for the professionals. You need to tell your manager the project's running late. This is where people panic and let AI make it stiff and over-apologetic. Notice I told it the relationship and the tone, professional but human, to a manager I get along with. That one line changes everything. The single most powerful move, paste in 2 or 3 of your own real emails and tell it to match your voice. That pulls it off the generic average and towards how you actually write. Most people never do this. Last step, don't skip it. After AI gives you the email, change 2 or 3 words to something only you would say, a phrase you actually use. That tiny human pass takes it from really close to indistinguishably you. AI gets you 90% there, you do the last 10%. That's the whole game. Now, one honest thing, don't use this to pretend you didn't use AI or to dodge AI detectives. Those are unreliable and it's the wrong goal anyway. The goal is simple. Your email is good and it sounds like you. Do that and the "is this AI" question stops mattering. So a quick recap. AI sounds robotic because it's trained to be safe. It picks the most common words and it doesn't know you. You fix it by giving it your voice, giving it the context, telling it what to cut, and editing the last bit yourself. I put the exact prompt, the one you saw me use, into my free AI prompt starter kit. Links below, grab it, try it in your next email, and tell me how it goes. That's it. We're going to talk soon. Have a good one.